Here you can go and type unlimited-elements.com and you can get this plugin from here. This one is official website, and here you can see these are the different useful widgets that you will be able to use in your Elementor WordPress website. So let me show you how you can install this plugin. Simply you can go here and click on plugins. Now click on add plugin, upload plugin, then select the plugin file. So let me go and select this zip file. Now activate this plugin and then scroll down. Here you can go unlimited elements, then click on widgets. So these are all the widgets, and from the left side here you can select any of the widget set. Then here you can see number of elements. To create this type of button, you can go here and click on widgets, then scroll down. Here you can select the button widgets, this one, then scroll down, and this one is underline link hover effect. You can preview it and then install it. After that, let's go and edit any page with Elementor page builder. So you can create a new page, and now Elementor page builder is loading. After that, here we can add a new container, and then here you can search for underline link hover effect. You can drag it here, and here you can align it in the center. And after that, let me go back, and here you can add your own text. After that, here you can add a link, then you can add your own icon from this icon library. Here you can go to style tab, you can increase the text. So after that, here you can select the font family as well as different other options related to the text. And here you can increase the icon size and spacing.